Think you're a smart traveler? Think again. These 10 rookie mistakes could ruin your trip, and you're probably making at least one of them. Let's fix that. First, overpacking. Many travelers, especially first-timers, fall into the trap of packing way more than they actually need. The just-in-case mentality leads to bulky suitcases filled with items you'll likely never use. Not only does this make your luggage heavier and harder to manage, but it also can result in extra airline fees or difficulty moving around. You might find yourself dragging a massive suitcase up staircases, onto buses, or through cobblestone streets. Instead, aim to pack light and smart. Choose versatile, layered clothing that you can mix and match, and plan for laundry if you're traveling longer. A good rule of thumb: lay out everything you think you need, then remove a third of it. Second, not checking visa and entry requirements. Every country has its own entry rules, and assuming you can just show up with a passport can lead to a ruined trip. You could be turned away at the airport or denied boarding altogether. Some countries require e-visas in advance, while others may need proof of onward travel, a certain number of blank passport pages, or a passport valid for 6 months beyond your arrival date. It's essential to research these requirements well ahead of time. Sometimes it takes days or weeks to secure the necessary documentation. Third, skipping travel insurance. Travel insurance is one of those things you hope you never need, but when you do, it's a lifesaver. A lot of people skip it to save money or because they think they won't run into issues, but travel is unpredictable. From trip cancellations due to illness to lost luggage, stolen items, flight delays, or even medical emergencies abroad, these things can cost you thousands. Travel insurance is a small upfront cost that provides financial protection and peace of mind, so you're not left stranded or in debt after something goes wrong. Fourth, exchanging money at the airport currency exchange counters are convenient, but they usually come with some of the worst exchange rates and highest transaction fees. You end up getting far less value for your money. A better approach is to use an ATM at your destination, which generally offers a much better rate, even after your bank's small fee. Alternatively, bring a travel-friendly debit or credit card that doesn't charge foreign transaction fees. You can also order foreign currency from your bank ahead of time if you want some cash on hand before you land. Fifth, not telling your bank you're traveling. Banks and credit card companies closely monitor for suspicious activity, and seeing a charge pop up in a foreign country might trigger a freeze on your account. Suddenly, your card is declined at dinner or while trying to check into a hotel. To prevent this, let your bank or credit card company know about your travel plans. Many now allow you to do this easily through their app or website. It's a simple step that can save you a lot of hassle. Sixth, overplanning every minute. While it's good to have a plan, trying to schedule every hour of every day can quickly lead to burnout. Travel often comes with unexpected delays, spontaneous opportunities, or places you want to stay longer than expected. Overplanning leaves no room for these unplanned joys. Instead of cramming your itinerary, build in buffer time for relaxation, people watching, getting lost, or simply enjoying the vibe of a new place. Some of the best travel memories come from the unplanned moments. Seventh, ignoring local customs and etiquette. Traveling to a new country means entering a different culture, and what's normal at home might be rude or inappropriate elsewhere. Simple gestures, dress codes, eating habits, or public behavior can carry very different meanings. Ignoring this not only makes you stand out in a bad way, but can also offend locals and create uncomfortable situations. Do some quick research before you go. Learn a few key phrases in the local language, understand tipping expectations, and be mindful of cultural norms. Showing respect will earn you respect in return. Eighth, relying only on your phone. In the digital age, it's tempting to keep everything stored on your phone. Maps, hotel bookings, tickets, itineraries, and so on. But phones run out of battery, apps crash, and service can be spotty or unavailable, especially in remote areas. If you're relying 100% on technology, you could get stranded. Always have backups. Print out important documents, write down key addresses, and download maps and travel info to your device for offline use. Being prepared ensures that even if tech fails, your trip won't. Ninth, staying only in tourist traps. It's easy to gravitate toward the most popular spots. They're well-reviewed, easy to find, and filled with other travelers. But touristy areas are often overpriced, crowded, and don't offer a true sense of the local culture. You'll get a much richer travel experience if you venture beyond the main attractions. Visit neighborhoods where locals live and work, try street food, explore local markets, or ask residents where they like to eat. That's where the real magic of travel happens. 10th, not respecting time zones and jet lag. Jumping time zones messes with your internal clock. Some travelers try to power through jet lag or plan full-day tours right after landing, thinking they'll push through the exhaustion. This often leads to irritability, lack of enjoyment, or even getting sick from overexertion. Instead, give yourself a soft landing schedule, a light first day, hydrate well, and try to adjust your sleep schedule gradually. A rested traveler is a happier one. Travel smarter, not harder. If you've made any of these mistakes before, don't worry, we all start somewhere. Drop your biggest travel fail in the comments. Give this video a like if you learned something new, and don't forget to subscribe for more travel tips. Safe travels!